Hey there and welcome to this. Gonna be a bit of a old school video where I'll be going through with you and doing an N8N live build, so we will see everything from the start to finish of me building a live workflow. This will be a workflow for a business that we will pick together in this video. It will be AI marketing agent, pretty simple one, where basically it can create Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn posts. We'll integrate everything, and yeah, let's just get straight to the video. Let's not waste any more time. First things first, let's pick the business. So what I would probably use is not Upwork but Waka. Waka is, in a nutshell, it's a app builder that uses AI. I believe it is the best one out there right now. You can go down in the description, try it out. I believe they've got some free credits there and I get a little kickback if you use the link down below. Now mainly what you want to do is later down the line take the branding from this and send it over to ChatGPT so we can then create better images. But what would be great for them is some sort of news in the AI niche and in the business niche. So what I want to do is go to ChatGPT, since basically what we want to do is do some RSS reads. So we want to pick specific websites that we want to read this from. So I created a quick temporary chat, sorry about that. Okay, now let me find something. So find the best RSS URLs for business AI news. I will be using N8N for this. I'll believe some free crunch or something like this. It's a good one. TechCrunch, yeah, so let's use this one. I used it before for one of my clients when we were trying to figure out some business trends, and it worked pretty good. Okay, now here we will do two options. Let's do schedule and trigger, which is the simple one. Okay, and then the second one which we'll be doing is webhook. If you want to integrate this with the dashboard later down the line, which I might show you in the next video, since that's where the AI automation is moving towards. So yeah, in the next video we can integrate this with Cloud Code and do all of the dashboard stuff. Okay, once we've got this, what we want to do is connect both of these to the RSS read. So just search up RSS read, great, both of these. Okay, now we paste the URL we copied from ChatGPT. We just run it, but we gotta click this trigger because this runs sometimes mess up. Okay, and we can see we've got 20 items, some of the content, and I believe they are ordered or sorted from the newest one to the latest one. So you can see we've got 30th, let's go down, still 30th. 29th. Yes, so the newest one is on top. That's why we want to now put a limit here. Let's do like the newest 4 posts down the line. So yeah, let's just get the first 4 items through. Amazing. Once we've got these, we can see that we've got the newest 4, but again we've got 4 items, which isn't ideal. We need to aggregate them. We need to have them as one item because we'll be sending this to OpenAI to choose the best topic and the content engine. So yeah, let's just click to aggregate. It is pretty simple one. Let's do all items into one and the name, content, ideas. Okay, now once I execute this, basically these 4 items, which would normally be 4 runs with the AI, will be in one item all together. So we can just paste this whole thing to AI and we'll do run, and that's all you want to do. Okay, now we want to OpenAI API connection, message model. Let's do some small one like 4.1 mini, since it works pretty fine, unlike the new ones, because there is a lot of thinking and it takes a lot of time and it is super unnecessary. The new ones, of course, they are amazing if you're doing something more complex, but this is super easy stuff. So yeah, now what I would do is go probably to ChatGPT. Now of course you can use code or anything like that for prompt engineering, but with the simple stuff like this, I most of the time use ChatGPT. So yeah, I can open my temporary chat. Now we need a user prompt and a system prompt. I need you to build a user prompt and system prompt for my OpenAI AI agent. This agent will pick the best topic and any information to that topic from 4 news based on some guidelines. I apologize for the grammar. I'm not the best in the English grammar here, based on some guidelines. In a nutshell, we are building post engine for Waka, which is AI app builder. We want some AI news here. Usual input from JSON will look like this. Okay, now we just paste over this JSON. Okay, let's click the line break here. Okay, now we can see the JSON. Once it sees the JSON, it is pretty important that you send it over, because otherwise it cannot give you the right dynamic variables. But of course, you can just drag and drop the dynamic variables like this yourself, but I just want to make it easier. Okay, let's just send this off, give it a few seconds, and we'll see what we'll do. Okay, so we've got the system prompt. You are an expert AI news editor for Waka, an AI builder. Your job is to analyze a list of AI-related news articles and select the single best story to create a social media post from. High relevant AI builders like to generate engagement, easy to explain. Okay, select criteria as major AI models. If multiple stories are equal short, choose the one that would create highest engagement. Okay, and I'll see the output, title, link, creator, companies, topics, engagement, key point summary. Keep the summary under 100. Okay, this looks good. So the user prompt will always be good. Oh, it didn't put the dynamic variable. Well, that's... I mean, AI is getting pretty freaking lazy. I'll be honest with you. Let's just put the JSON here, not this one. Let's just put the whole thing like this. JSON.toStringify, yes. So just put the whole information in here like this. Of course, what you can also do is just put one and paste over the content like this. But I just don't feel like doing that. It takes quite a lot of time and it's not necessary. So yeah, that's why we are using 4.1 mini, because it can take a lot of context in. Okay, now let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to the system. The system prompt should output. What we will change is the output. I only want one output. So sorry about that. It should only output a single string, which will contain the whole summary with any needed information for the next step, with which will be to generate the actual creative or whatever. Okay, so let's give it again a few seconds. Now we can just copy the whole thing. Amazing, copy the whole thing, go to AI marketing, add message system. Make sure you've got the expression on here, because if you put it as fixed, it will come out. Okay, it will not, they fixed it. Normally, when you put it into the fixed section, or I think it's like Claude, Anthropics, probably. When in the Claude, if you were to message a model and you were to add system message, and here you don't put expression, it will come out as one block like this, which isn't ideal for AI formatting and anything. I mean, you take time to make this look beautiful, so always just use the expression just to make sure, and then it will come back like this. Just a quick insight. Okay, now OpenAI, let's call this topic chooser. Great, let's run it and let's see what happens. Alrighty, so we've got output. Anthropics revealed that its own AI models managed to breach the security of 3 companies during internal security testing, a following similar incident earlier involving OpenAI's models backing. Yeah, this seems pretty interesting. So Anthropics does some security breaks or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna make now another OpenAI, a node. So let's just click like this. Okay, message model. Okay, now would probably this time use 5.1 mini, or maybe even just 5 if you've got the tokens for it, but I don't mind using the mini version. Okay, add the option, the thinking, we want to put that down as much as we can. Reasoning, low, because I don't want to take this too long. I hate waiting for the results with the OpenAI when it is thinking too long. Okay, now user. Again, we'll probably go to ChatGPT. send over this JSON. Okay, great work. Now I need you to build another prompt, system and user. This OpenAI agent's task will be to generate the final prompt. Oh god, I'm using the word prompt like 20 times. But yeah, as you can see, I'm not a developer. I'm just using a plain language here. I'm not even structuring it any weird way. It's like I would say this to an employee or whatever. So yeah, this OpenAI agent's task will be to generate the final prompt for OpenAI image generation. Now, what do you want to have in this? It should include some catchy headline and branding of my company. Search their website and see anything helpful with the branding. Okay, and here let's paste over the Waka.app. Amazing, let's send this over. Okay, so we are back now. The UI, we can see we've got the output of the branding, system prompt. We've got some system prompt. I don't want to even read through this. I will just test it out and see if it works. News brief. So yeah, to the user, let's just paste this over. News brief, the text we've got from our last output. Okay, now to the system. We just want to copy this. I will probably not be even reading through this again, as I already said, since there's a lot of text, a lot of unnecessary text. I hope it gets everything done good, and it is much better way to test this out with some visual. Okay, so create prompt. Another step is to create a prompt. Great, and the last step will be to generate an image. Now I believe OpenAI and I added that integration already. If not, we'll just use the HTTP request. So let's give it a few seconds. Okay, OpenAI analyze image, generate an image, and let's see if we've got the newest one. Yes, so we'll use GPT Image 2 because it's got the best rendering of text, and yeah, it can do some pretty good stuff. I sometimes create my thumbnails with it, so yeah, it's amazing. 101 premium social media, graphic, modern, editorial, textile, general, visual. Okay, though one thing that I do want to mention is the branding must always be exactly the same. The branding in the output must have some sort of a template that should always see or be the same. Because we don't want to create some generic images and creatives. We want something that looks always the same, so when somebody notices on your social media, they know that this stuff is about, for example, AI news, or that these colors are about Waka, and it already gets them triggered, gets their brain running this. Okay, let's just copy this and see what it does. Copy it to the system prompt. Great, run it once more, and then we'll generate an image. Here we will just post the prompt. Nothing too serious. Now I hope it won't take too much of my credits, because I don't have any spare ones to use. Let's just do this. Okay, generate an image, let's run it. And this might take a while. While this is happening, what we 100% want to do is get the Waka logo, get it to Supabase, because later down the line we want to add the Waka logo to our post, so we can have some sort of a watermark there. It doesn't have to be the Waka logo, it can be whatever you are using for the company. It might not even want to be their logo, it can be just the watermark for that specific thing, so it looks much more real. So it's the Waka, okay, Waka logo. Great, let's just copy this one, or just we have to save it up. Logit. Okay, so Waka logo, great. Let's save it up. Amazing. Now let's go to my Supabase that we created in my last video. It's a Supabase masterclass, 100%. Go check it out up there. Basically, in Supabase we will create a new storage because we wanna save this up and get a URL from it. Okay, so let's go to table, no, storage. We go to storage. Now we've got some packets in here already, so brand assets, for example. In here, let's upload the file, Waka logo. Let's wait a few seconds again. We are investigating a technical issue. It seems like Supabase is some trouble. Alrighty, now we've got the Waka logo. We can see get a URL, and now we've got a public URL for our hosting. Basically, that's what Supabase is great in, but you have to be pretty careful, because if you've got a lot of things in this storage, it will in a while cost you quite a bit of money, or not quite a bit of money, but it will not let you go through your free plan. That's what happened last time when I used this. Okay, you can see the image we've got. Let's view it. AI models breach corporate defense, Waka build AI apps faster, Waka.app. Okay, this doesn't look too bad, but I don't really fully like it. AI models breach corporate defense. This is good. The image looks good. What I don't like is this at the end, though. What we could do is just put the Waka logo in here and it will look much better right away. Let's just test it out. If we don't like it, we'll change the prompt. Okay, what we have to do is merge these down the line. So merge, combine, position. Okay, and now here when we aggregate the news, we'll add a new path. In this path, let's do a set node, just URL. Okay, now I will just paste over the Waka logo URL we just got from Supabase. Okay, now let me just pin this stuff so I don't have to run it again. Pin it. They are pinned. It is no longer purple. Wow, that's weird. Okay, anyways, let's just run this. Great. Now we are passing over in JSON our URL. What we want to do is get the file, which is why we will need to use an HTTP request. Here, just send over the URL with the method of get. We'll just paste this over. Great, we can rename this as we want. So for example, get the file. Okay, logo URL. Logo, okay, logo URL. I just like to have my stuff structured, so then when I come back to this workflow like 15 months afterwards, I can still see how it works and just understand by these names. Alrighty, now you merge it here, and I believe we can just simply use the image editor somewhere in here. Though I'm not sure if this gives us a binary file. Yes, it does not with the pent data. That's not ideal. So we'll have to run it again, but yeah, there's nothing to worry about. Let's just do the edit image. Great. Now I think we will be add transparency to image, blur image power to composite. I think it's this composite image, I believe. Composite image property, yes. Property name, which will be the name from this, so data. And then this composite image property will be to get the file, so it's probably going to be, let's see, again data, so we do need to rename this because we probably cannot have two datas in here. What we can do is probably name the file paging lowercase errors or directional space response file and put output in file. Let's do logo. Great. Now we just run this once more, and what will happen is the output of the file will no longer be called data but the logo. Pretty simple stuff. It would be great if you can run. Cannot connect, lost connection. Okay, I had to rerun the whole workflow because and I then decided to lag out on me. Okay, what we did is just change the name, as I already said like a couple of times. So now we've got the file in logo output, we merge it, we go to edit image, here we put the logo, so composition is logo, composite image property, I don't even know what that means. We wanted the over, because we wanted the logo to be over our main data, and now the position X and position epsilon, not epsilon, position I'm not sure. Okay, I will just copy this or screenshot this, go to ChatGPT, because I don't know what the hell this is. view the data, screenshot this with the exact format ideally, yes, send this over, or I could just ideally download it from here, download, okay, or let's just keep it simple. Great, so now I need to add Waka logo. I can send over also the Waka logo. Now I need to add Waka logo. Okay, and it seems like it isn't Waka logo. We need it to be without a background. We don't want to have the white background probably. So yeah, we'll just have to go through it, but let's first see how it looks. So now I need to add the Waka logo. Give me the position X and V for it to be exactly on the left down in the logo section of Waka. Okay, great. It will analyze the results and give us the position quickly. Let's wait a few seconds. I already can see this video will be super long. Yeah, 23 minutes. But I mean, it's live build, so yeah, it might take a while. So while this is happening, what you might want to do is just start off thinking what will be the next step, which will probably be to save the stuff into Supabase again and create a URL so we can then send it over. And yeah, then last steps is just the captions, which is super simple, right? 20 and 680, so let's test it out. 20 and 680. Okay, option output field, let's do final image, and let's ideally do this with an expression, so at the end we can put something that will always be different. So when we are sending this over to Supabase, it will not create duplicates in the storage. So a final image with the date, time, etc, etc. Okay, let's click this off, see what it does. Okay, we've got one item, let's check it out. File image view. Yeah, that's not good at all. Okay, first thing that we need to change is get this into a PNG, or I don't know what it's called in English. So just extract or convert to like delete the background. That's probably gonna be better. Delete background from image 3. Okay, remove background from image 3. Let's try this one. Okay, now let's send over our Waka logo. Let's give it a few seconds. So did it delete it? Yes, it should. Let's download it. Just, I don't really care. Okay, now we're gonna go back to Supabase, send this over, upload files, this one. Wait a few seconds, we can delete this one right away. Okay, successfully deleted. Now we can go to this one, get the URL, send it back over to right here. So change this URL for this URL. Okay, great. Now let's try this one more time. And okay, much better, but we just have to exactly fit it in there. So like this. Not really what we wanted. The logo must be down on the left, or if you think the positioning could be better, if you generate image is okay, we do need to probably send over what is the generated image we've got. So that would be great if we know that. Let's see if we can get it in here. Add option, quality resolution, and 1024. Okay, so it's 1024 x 1024. The resolution of the main image is 1024 x 1024. Okay, now let's see what it does, if it makes any changes. If not, what we will do is just change the prompt, delete this logo section, and we'll just add the watermark somewhere on the left. So yeah. Okay, assuming your logo is realized to 56. If logo is, I'm not sure at all. So let's just try and see what happens. I'll try this like 2 times. If it doesn't work, I will not bother to waste my time with it, and I will just change the prompt and we'll go on with the simple route. What I realized with these automations lately is the best route is always the simplest one. So yeah, let's see. Okay, not bad, but it's not what we asked for. So yeah, let's just change the prompt. Okay, this will not work. We need to change the prompt for image generation. It should delete the part down where it looks like some template. Literally, we just want the branding colors to always be the same. And let's put, from what I can see, they've got some purple in here. For example, the purple should be there as well, and also they've got white here. So let me just send this over, because maybe it didn't access the right website. Purple should be there, white as well, and then we will position the logo up on left on the white spot. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Actually, this much stronger direction. Okay, new branding section for the system prompt. Let's give it a few seconds. Bold, headline, maximum 8 words. Okay, let's just send this over, right? Send this over. Not create the image, but this one, so we have to unpin both of them. Now here, I wanna not the user prompt, but the system prompt. Okay, great. I didn't want to do that. Okay, now let's run it. Create a prompt. Let's wait a few seconds. We'll generate the image and see what it comes out with. Okay, generate the image. I hope this will not take too long, because I do remember that the image generation was super long. But while this is happening, okay, while this is happening, create 3 prompts, simple ones, system and user, for my caption generation. You want some simple information from the news that we will pass over. Okay, now this should generate some simple prompts. Make sure to differentiate the Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook formats of the caption. What I seem to realize is LinkedIn professional, a bit professional, Instagram quick, short, simple, and Facebook can be longer. Okay, super simple prompt. I mean, nothing too serious. I would normally probably just analyze this code, test it out, and then fine tune it later down the line. But when we are starting out, it is much better to work with something and then make adjustments than to just create out of nowhere. So yeah, let's see what it generated as the image. Review, AI breach, new security reality. Now this does look completely like an AI, but if we believe that it will always generate this template, we're basically on the right, AI breach, new security reality, then yeah, I guess it's pretty good. And here we can put the logo. So let's just edit the image. Let's see what positioning it gave us. It didn't give us any. I don't believe that. Oh damn. Okay, also give me the positioning again of the logo on top right or left. Alrighty, 32. So edit image, 32. Okay, final image now. Great, let's run it. Okay, let's see. This looks much better, I believe, than the one before. So yeah, we can pretty much just use this. Okay, now what you need to do is send over to Supabase one last time. I'm not sure if they've got a Supabase, they don't, so we do need to make a custom call. It will be a post call. Now it should be pretty simple and have some directions right here, where basically we just need to use their API. But if I don't know how to do it, I will just ask this AI they've got here. So give me a curl for NADen so I can upload my files into storage bucket brand assets. Okay, now hopefully this will give it to me. If not, we just have to go to Supabase docs and see what they've got to say. Okay, it gave us pretty simple. Curl to put your, okay, so post project drive. Okay, now we just replace this stuff. So project drive is the ID, I believe. So this one. Okay, we just copy and paste it. Bucket name, that's going to be brand assets. So brand assets. Okay, and file path. This will probably be the name. So what we want to do here is put in the file name. It doesn't give us the file name, no way. Okay, well, if it doesn't give us the file name, we just put this, and right after it we add another expression with the name and date. So now we need to do this. Okay, so now we make it unique every time, so this should work pretty fine. And we do need to send over the authorization. That's pretty much self-explanatory. So API key, authorization bearer. I'll probably just do the authorization bearer and our token. Or what we can do is just select predefined, check Supabase API, and we've got it connected. Yes, so this should work itself. Though send body, we want to send over the file, add and binary file, input data file name, and here we want to do this. Okay, that's not gonna work. So input file name. There should be an option to choose just a binary data, I believe, from here, but it's not giving me that option. Normally what used to happen before is you would have the name right here exactly as you have it in here, but it no longer seems to work like that. That's pretty interesting. Okay, so then what we gotta do is just delete this, so we always output it as the final image. Okay, let's just do it like this. Okay, now input name will be the final image, final dash image. Amazing. Send body. Now let's see if it works. Okay, now let's check right here, refresh this, brand assets, and we should have the new image in here. Yes, data with our now. Okay, we get the URL. We don't really get the URL, we get the ID. We now need to create the URL. Okay, now it gave me some ID when I ran the HTTP. How can I get the URL? Okay, we'll probably need to just do a set node, pretty simple one. Bam, URL creative. Okay, and now the value is this. So file path, bucket ID. No, this shouldn't be it. Construct URL, bucket is public. Let's see, because I don't think this is the one. Supabase storage brand logo. Okay, maybe. So we just use this brand assets. Okay, let's see. So again, we use the same ID that we used here. Okay, we paste it over storage object public bucket ID. Now bucket ID is just the bucket name, I believe, or we probably send over the whole thing. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's just see what happens. I mean, this is live walkthrough, so we've got time, right? Okay, let's delete this and see if this works, though I'm not sure it will. HTTP request. Let's see if this gives us anything. No. So what we need to do is delete the brand assets. This. Okay, now it should give us the results that we are looking for. Okay, amazing. This is exactly what I wanted. We don't need to HTTP request now. We just needed the URL. Okay. Last thing we need to do is the captions. So OpenAI. Okay, message model. Now we will do this a couple of times. Okay, message model. Great. Okay, now right here we choose, let's do 5-point mini. And I did mess up. I could have just duplicated them once we are done with them, since it is going to be the same thing. So yeah, I will probably delete them in a bit. System, and the reasoning again to low, since I don't want to wait here. Reasoning low, summary I'll do okay. Now let's go to ChatGPT and get the final prompts. So we've got the system prompt from LinkedIn, for LinkedIn. Let me see. Okay, system prompt. Not like this, and then this. Bam. News brief. We just copy it from the topic chooser. News brief. Okay, great. And that's pretty much it. Now we just delete these two. I copy these two because they already set it up. Okay, great. Now I go back to ChatGPT and do this whole process for Instagram. So Instagram captions, amazing. Message one. Bam. Okay, now captions right here. I could just do it like this. Bam, so I don't have to work with the dynamic variable again. Okay, and lastly we've got the Facebook, but let's rename this to LinkedIn captions. Okay, and Facebook captions. Great. Now let's just do the final work, and we are pretty much done. I will not be showing you in this video how to integrate this with Cohello or other tools like that, probably, since everybody uses different tools. You might want to directly connect it through something like Meta API, and it's gonna take a while for me to do, and yeah, it's pretty unnecessary. It's pretty self-explanatory as well. It's super simple. You just go to their documents, you create an HTTP request, and you do it for every single part like this. So yeah, now we just run this off. We can just run the whole thing once more, but let's spin this data because yeah, we don't want to waste our tokens, right? Okay, we pin it. I hope it's pinned. Let's see. Pin add nodes. Now it's pinned. Okay, now it's not pinned. Unpinned. Okay, let's just run it and see. Okay, I've got some problem using the item. If it doesn't work with pin data in this scenario, please unpin merge. Okay, so let's unpin merge. Yeah, sometimes what happens with this mock data and with this pin data is when you are doing some stuff that changes the formatting, like the merge, like the limit, the if node, it just messes up. So you can see that it is working. We've got the LinkedIn first, then we'll go to Instagram, and let's see what it came out with. Anthropics is this code that it's models. Okay, we've got beautiful captions with hashtags. Obviously, I would adjust the hashtags to probably your scenario, your branding. Also add the Waka, this for Instagram. Yeah, this is pretty good. Facebook, longer. Okay, now I would add some CTAs, maybe some put yes down below, and then we can connect it with ManyChat, but that's for a different video. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you liked the video, and see you next one. Bye bye.